loves, welcome back to the channel. I am here to provide you guys with your love guidance, and this is going to be for the first 2 weeks in December. So I hope that you guys are ready to hear your messages for December. Let's see what's going on. What's up with the energy with you and this person? Aries, as you're listening and you feel like you need to get more clarity, get some advice on what's going on here in the connection. You want to know what's in this person's head about you. Like, what are they thinking? What are they feeling? Something may have, occurred between the two of you. You want to know where they stand with you right now, or where you stand with them. Or you may have questions about your career. Maybe you're just focused on money. Maybe you're trying to figure out your life purpose right now, trying to see what direction is best for you to go in. How can you develop your career skills, or how are things coming for the next few months? Well, Aries, you're in the right place, because I also offer personal readings as well, and we can look into your astrological birth chart, or you can just simply get an intuitive guidance reading. That way you can find out this information if these are some of your questions. In the beginning of the video, you should see the my shop information, where you can get that from, and also down below in the description box too. Okay, so Aries, let's see what is going on with you and this person. Just picking up your energy, Aries, I feel like a lot of you guys are going to be in a more positive mindset, a more positive feeling, pretty balanced here. Pretty balanced energy, feeling like you have a healthy mindset. You may be really chill, really vibed out during this time. I feel like your self-esteem is where it needs to be. Your level of self-assurance is where it needs to be. I feel like you are on the right path with where you're going right now in your life. And, some of you Aries could be feeling more outspoken than usual. You could be really speaking your mind. And then there's another group of Aries who are going to be more guarded, maybe feeling a little guarded even toward a love interest. But it really just depends on who you are and what side of things you're going to be on. But overall, I feel like you are going to be more mature, have a more mature approach to things. You may feel motivated about something right now. You may also be coming across as a bit persuasive, trying to get someone to understand something. But overall, I feel like when it comes to you in general, your life is pretty organized, and you come across with a very unique approach to whoever this is that you're dealing with. But I think that you may feel a bit vulnerable. You may feel like, for some of you, you may feel like you need to be more vulnerable to your person in order for them to understand how you really feel. You may feel like you want to be. For some of you, just take it how it resonates, because some of you guys, I'm picking up that you want to be more vulnerable to this person you're interested in. Others of you, I feel like you are being vulnerable to this person. So it really just depends. But, or maybe there's a group of you Aries who need to be more vulnerable. So it's really going to take courage. And I think that you understand that, if you are in a vulnerable place right now, you know how much courage it really takes for you to have in order to allow someone to take down your walls and expose that humanness in you. The fact that you are a living, breathing human being, and you have a heart, and you feel things, and your feelings that you feel are real. And to be able to express these things to this person is really an act of courage. And it's coming from a place where maybe you didn't think that you would be right with this person, or maybe depending on the circumstances or whatever. So that it takes bravery to be this way. I think that a lot of you are going to be working on letting go of those barriers of communication that you had with this person. You may find that you are opening up more to this person, opening up more and allowing them to see your true self. So a lot of you, like I said, you're going to be very open and very expressive if you are talking to this person in a conversation. You and this person could be on the phone talking about something, and you really just show your true self to them. You show them, like there's no ego involved. There's no There's no nonchalant, there's no boldness. It's coming from a place where it's really your truth. It's really how you really, really, truly feel about this person. And I feel like this is happening in a conversation. I don't feel like this is happening where this person is like talking to you through someone, or you're just, like saying things, through someone and telling them, or, I feel like this is you and this person talking. I feel like this is a real conversation that you're having with them. And I feel like you're able to really talk to them because you're using your voice. You're using your voice to get these messages across to them. So some of you may not be texting these things. You may actually be talking to your person and telling them, what's going on, how you really feel. And it's like your love feelings. It's not even anything that I feel is coming up about negativity. I feel like it's just all positive love feelings, in the way that makes you feel. So again, some of you guys, you may need to get on this level, get on this page with this person, and others of you are going to be getting on this level. So this person, the way this makes them feel, Aries, seeing you be more vulnerable than usual, they start having more wishful thinking about you. They start having these desires, these wishes, these hopes for, this connection moving forward, and you guys having a future. So they really see you as some type of temptation, like this does give an energy, Aries, and I'm going to be honest, because if a person that you're interested in feels like something is tempting to them, it means that there is something else going on that they're involved in. So a lot of you may have a person that has a third party situation, and you may be very tempting to them because they want to leave, or they want to step out, or they are leaving or stepping out to enjoy this connection with you. So this is someone who feels that they want you or need you more than they ever needed you before. This person, they feel all of these things, but they don't know how to tell you about it. They don't know. So if they're on the other line listening to you talk, they're like, they don't know what to say really. And don't take it as they are not interested or they're not taking it seriously. Don't take it as that. They're really just going to be processing everything you just said. And they're going to be like, just maybe it's a shock for this person. Maybe they're going to be very shocked that you actually are telling them this. Like, they can hear you saying this. Maybe it's just shocking to them what they can hear that you're saying. So this is someone who does want to have a heart-to-heart with you. They do really want to be with you, Aries, in any kind of way. I feel like this person's pretty desperate, and not in a bad way. They're just like, what else can I do? Like, what, like, I need her. I need her. Or I need him. You could be a male Aries listening. I need this person. So right now, I don't care how I've got to do this, but I've got to have this heart to heart with this Aries. I have to do this. I have to talk. So this person, is in this energy, but it's something that holds this person stuck, like just still. This person, for some reason, I'm getting it's two ways, because for some of you, they are waiting for the right time to talk to you because there could be another person involved. For others of you, they are listening to something you're saying and what you're showing to them, this vulnerable, true side of you, and they're processing it. So they may be like pacing themselves with everything, because they're trying to see what is the best way to answer or respond to you after that. Okay, so I'm just giving you a little heads up. All right, but overall, I just feel like, Aries, some of you may see this person as someone who you can start from a firm foundation with, or you may even see them as being the foundation for you. And that's really deep. And this is really something very potent in your life, Aries, because it takes a whole lot for an Aries to get to the point where you really see someone as a foundation. And if you see them as a foundation for you, then that means you want a family with them. You want a future with them. You feel secure with them. You know, you have assurance, you have confidence, you have so much confidence that this person is a builder. They're a builder. They know how to build a future. They know how to build a family unit. They know how to build a relationship with you in the practical world, to where you and them can have great things together and make it work and make it last and survive. You see them as someone who has that. It's more than potential. I think you've crossed some type of threshold, because now you're going into December with a knowing that this is someone who's going to be a really strong partner for you now and in the future. You know that they are. It's some type of fact that you know. Okay? Now, if some of you see this as someone who if you see this connection being the foundation and not so much the person, then it's still a good thing. Even if you see the connection being, us having a strong foundation, then it means that it's established now. Like, something about this connection or something about this person has the Aries feeling like this is established. We have created this together. We have built something together. We have gotten far together. We have made it here together. There is a big, big, big energy of togetherness. This person feeling like your family, loving you like family. That's how you see that they love you, like family. And they just want to be in your life and be there for you, Aries. This person sees you as a high priestess energy, Aries. They feel like you really use your intuition. This person feels like your intuition has allowed you to see things that people wouldn't see. They feel like you see beyond the knowledge that is presented to you, the information that's there, the facts that you know. You even see beyond what you know. And if that makes sense to you, it means that you go far beyond the basic or traditional views of love. You have a different concept to love. They feel like you even look at the unspoken. You look at the things that this person can't admit. You look into what they're hiding. You look into everything, and you have that ability to do that because you are a very mysterious person to this person. They love this about you because you have something so feminine about you that is desirable, but at the same time, it feels unattainable to be in love with you. Still to this day, your person still feels like you are so powerful. You are a high power for this person. And your creativity, your thirst for knowledge, your mind, the spiritual work you are involved in, the way you pray, the way you are faithful to your spirituality, your practices, the way you trust your intuition, your beauty, your cleverness, your intuition. All of these things is a seductive quality that you have. All of these things put together makes you more able to seduce your person. Because notice, I didn't say much about your body or sex. Even though your person does desire this, for some of you, they want to get you pregnant. They feel like you're very fertile right now for some of you. But this is someone who feels like they really could have a strong relationship with someone like you. And it is because of all these qualities. You seduce this person with just being yourself. You don't have to be anyone else. Your inner voice speaks for you when your outer voice doesn't. Your creativity tells them how successful you could be in the future because you're authentic. Your spirituality, your prayers, and your devotion to God shows them your power as a ruling lady who is really able to lead a lot of people because of your morals and your values. So you being in this divine femininity really shows to this person how you are the kind of woman that can't be replaced by any other woman. Like, they don't know any other woman like you. They don't know any other woman who can fill your shoes. Even women who came before you, they feel like you surpass your own ancestors. Like, you are the top woman. So they look at you as such a strong, valuable woman. And this keeps your person really in line. It keeps them in check. They put themselves in check. It's not like you're checking them about anything. It's not like you're trying to be dominant. It's not. And I think that they accept that now. It's not that you're doing anything to put them in check. They put themselves in check about you. And it's a difference when a man does that. That means he respects you. So you have someone who is respecting who you are as they see how you just really are you. It's you. And maybe, for some of you, this is someone who is trying to understand what made them want you so bad. Why are you so tempting to them? Or why do they feel like they need you? And I think that your person has just found out, or will be finding out, because I'm putting this out earlier than when it takes place. So during this time frame on this video, they're going to be finding out the real reason why they feel the way they feel about you. And they're going to see that it's because it's you. It's not because of your name, your title, your just off of your body or sexual things. It's really you. All right. And that's all I have. I hope that this helps. God bless.